an educational coach with 20 years of experience in education. And I welcome you in my YouTube channel, Nibmark. And I hope you must be doing very well. And my friends, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Nibmark, and watch this video till the end. And if you like it, please do not forget to like, comment and share our videos with your friends, relatives and your colleagues you are working with. So let's start with today's topic, the 3 mistakes the people always do while learning English. So this is the very crucial and important video for the English learners while speaking English. So let's move ahead with the topic without wasting time. So the first mistake the English learners always do, and that is the misconception. While you are starting your journey of English speaking, what do? The most of the people I see and also always observe, they do this mistake all the time. They have a misconception about English language. What they consider English language is as a subject, like theoretical subject, what the subjects we learn in our schools. When everybody remembers this, while our schooling, what do? We learn many subjects like geography, history, and some chemistry, biology, such type of subjects we study in our college and schooling. So most of the people do this. They do this mistake, and they consider English also as a theoretical subject, not as a language. So the first thing that we have to consider this language as a language, and whenever you consider it as a subject, theoretical subject, you definitely are not gonna learn this English language speaking. So this first mistake you have never to do. Okay, so let's move ahead with the second mistake. The second mistake, which is also very the most of the people we see they do. And the mistake is fear. Everybody, the most of the people having they start their journey English speaking with this fear that English is a very hard language and we cannot learn it. Okay, and having this fear, they start their journey and they never gonna learn this language to speak. And that's why this second mistake also, you have to avoid this mistake and you have to learn this language so fluently without fearing of this subject. And let me tell you, the English learners who speak English very fluently, the English speakers who speak English very fluently, they are also human beings. You are also human beings. If they can do, why you shouldn't? Right? So let's move ahead with the third mistake always people do. And the third mistake is English is, as they consider as a subject, as I already told you, most of the learners of English speaking learners, they consider English as a theoretical subject, and that's why they try to learn speaking English, considering English as a subject, learning them and studying them like a subject, like history, geography, biology and chemistry, and that's why they do not get the fluency in it, right? But English is a language. How language is spoken, that you can also, you yourself can observe some small baby, small kids while learning their language, regional language, but the people from Maharashtra, if they talk Marathi, how they learn this language, how the babies learn language, they speak first, they listen first, and then they start speaking it word by word on daily basis. So listening is the first thing that we have to do. We have to listen and then we have to imitate it. We have to copy it and then gradually you will speak it. Right? But if you think, the babies, while speaking that language, when they learn speaking their regional language, whatever the language they are having in their house, they do not know any kind of grammar of the specific language. Or let me tell you, do they have? Let me ask you, do they have any knowledge or do they have any grammar? Have they learned any rules of any grammar of any such type of rules? The complex rules which while speaking in the English language they remember and then they talk. No, definitely they do not have any kind of knowledge about the grammar of that particular language. But how they do? How they speak English? How they speak the original language there? and it clears here, it proves here the English grammar is not that much. While learning English language, the grammar is not the matter. The language, you have to listen language from the people who are speaking English, and you have to imitate it, and you have to speak it gradually, not out of sudden, but gradually you have to practice of it. So definitely I assure that you will, if you avoid these three mistakes doing on your daily basis, in your daily life, and you will practice it, practice English language with the proper way, and the proper way, and with the proper people, so definitely you will do fluency. You will learn English language, speaking it fluently, and only the thing that you have to do is you have to avoid these three mistakes. So okay, thank you for watching. I hope you must have liked our videos. You must have enjoyed our video, and subscribe our channel. I would like to request you once again, and like our videos, and keep supporting us. Thank you so much to watch this video carefully and to listen this video carefully. Thank you so much. Thank you.